Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Stephanie. I'm a Cameroonian based in Cameroon. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious okra stew. This okra stew is so delicious. It tastes amazing. It's good for babies, it's good for elderly people, and it's good for young people as well because it's so nutritious. It contains a lot of veggies. Oh my god. So you guys, let's dive directly into the cooking so that you see how I'm going to take you all through the process of making this delicious yummy-licious okra. You can have this with fufu corn, gari, water fufu rice, whatever you desire. You can have this as well even with your boiled rice, like boiled rice. If you've had okra before with boiled rice, just let me know in the comment section. So let's dive into the cooking. Okay, let me introduce you all to the ingredients. Here we have our okra. We have this purple and white onion. I have in here some garlic and ginger. In this mortar, I have my crayfish. I have some vegetables here. I'm planning to use them for something else, but I'll just use small quantity of it because I like to color my soup always. And then I have my kanda. I have some fresh fish. I have salt, maggi. I have fresh tomatoes. Basically, these are the main ingredients. If there's any other thing, I'm going to add in, and then I'll just take you guys along. So as you can see, I've added in some vegetable oil. I'm just going now to put in my chopped onion. I'll have to make sure I fry this until it is ready because you know it's okra stew, so it has to really cook properly like stew before I can go on to add in the okra. So I will come back when the water is properly dry from the tomato paste and then it is left just oil. Then I'll come back and continue from there. So at this point, please subscribe, share my videos, and let me know in the comment section if you like tomato in okra, like if you like okra stew. Do you enjoy okra stew? Do you like okra stew? Do you like plain okra, egusi okra, groundnut okra? Like which of them do you really enjoy? Just let me know in the comment section. And just to inform you, this is so healthy for babies, and I'm making this particularly for my baby. As you can see, it has been boiling for some time. So what I'll do is salt, my garlic, I'm going to add in cow skin. Because I've added in my maggi, salt, and every other thing, I'm now going to put in this fish. Now the fish will have to boil, and then I'll remove it while I'm still waiting for the water that is inside it stew to get dry. So I want to boil this fish now. I will have to stir it, so I can't stir it with the fish inside. So that's why I'm boiling it now while waiting for the water to get dry. And also to save time. As you can see, I'm trying to also make some zulus. So this is what it looks like right now. So I'm going to take out all the fish. You guys saw that I didn't put in dry fish, so you can put in whatever you like. This okra is meant specifically for my 1-year-old daughter and for my mother-in-law, and also I will not be putting in any pepper. So you can add whatever protein you like inside. I'm going to go ahead and add in my crayfish. Adding some water. allow this to boil before I come back and make sure I taste for my maggi, my salt, and the only spices I use for this recipe is just garlics and. So at this point, I'm going to make sure you adjust the stock quantity so that you can be okay with the okra. Because one thing you don't want to do with your okra is to put it in your pot and then you realize that the stock quantity is small and then you have to add in cold water or bring in extra water. The taste of the okra might not be the same again. And when you're adding your okra in as well, add and observe. Can you guys see? Can you guys see what we got here? Can you guys see this? So I'm going in now with my vegetable. So this is perfect. If you want it to be slimy, you can blend some and you can equally add some like this. But I like mine like this. So now it's completely ready. Perfect. Please click the like button. Please, the like button, please.